Hey guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at 3 things we love on the LG TurboWash AIDD washer dryer. You can control it from your phone, it helps you save time when you need things quickly, and it looks after your clothes. Now I'm going to get myself over to the lab to check it out for myself. You're able to manage and control your washing from wherever you are, whether you're out and about or sat on the sofa with your feet up, by using the LG ThinQ app on your smart devices. Now we've actually got the app set up and ready to go, and it's synced with the washer dryer. As you can see here, I've got an hour and 1 minute left on my cycle, and it even gives me an estimated end time. There's so many useful features like energy monitoring, so I'm able to see how much energy I've used. Obviously this is the first cycle we've done with this washer dryer, but you're able to see it in weeks, months, or a year. There's also Tub Clean Coach, which is so interesting. It tells me that I've got 30 cycles left until the tub should be cleaned. And you can even download extra cycles. And here, LG really have thought about everything. You see, I've got cycles for baby care all the way to the rainy season. It can save you time by getting a thorough wash done in just 59 minutes. So if you need something washed in a hurry, TurboWash can help speed things up. It even knows how to give your clothes the best care possible. Now it uses a technology that LG call AIDD, and that stands for Artificial Intelligence Direct Drive. Now how this works is that it analyzes the weight and softness of each load and adjusts the movements accordingly to prevent fabric damage. If you want to find out more info on this LG TurboWash AIDD washer dryer, why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.